UPS man just stopped by and dropped me off an electric bike. Look at that fat tire. Well, it's packaged pretty good. I need to get some side cutters. Thought we lost it there. I had the camera off on accident, but boom, here we go. Look at what I got. The P6. This thing is pretty nice. I put the pedals on there, got the charger on it, and it's a pretty unique frame. This has got a cool shape to it. It's all aluminum. Pretty easy to put together. It's got some nice disc brakes there. Because it's a mountain bike, you got some different speeds there. We got some different settings here, so you can go different speeds. It's kind of like a speed assist, almost like, because it's a pedal bike, mountain bike, electric, e-bike. All right, let's see here. Okay. When you pedal, it just starts kind of going on its own. Pretty powerful little bike. That's just gassing it right there. All right, I think it's time to go take this thing somewhere and try it out. My yard ain't the best for it, but so far, so good. This thing's super easy to ride, and you don't have to pedal very hard to make it go anywhere, and that's pretty nice when you just want to go for a cruise and not necessarily an exercise. Let's hope it was recording. All right, I fit it in my truck, but it was tight. It's almost touching the driver's seat because it's a pretty good sized bike. All right, so this thing's pretty big. I'm not very big, but I'm gonna go take this thing for a test ride and do a high-speed run. Ooh, ooh. All right, so I'm just gonna gas it here and see how fast we go. I'm only on 2. 24 miles an hour, no problem. Well, first ride, this thing was pretty good. 25 miles an hour. I didn't even charge it up. I threw it on the charger for like a half hour, but we're only at half power, so it might have a little bit more speed, but feels really nice. I was thinking about letting the girls try it out. What do you think? You ever ridden an electric bike? No? Okay. All right.
Are we going that way, that way?
Go that way. Is it going? Easy enough. Okay, now hit the throttle.
What is that?
No, there's a little twisty part. There you go. Yeah. Once you start pedaling, it's going to have some power. When it kicks in, you'll feel it.
Oh my god! You don't even have to pedal. It's just
No,
going.
it just goes. I know. That's pretty cool. So on the right side, yeah, you got the twist throttle, so then it goes real good if you hit that.
I should get one of these. These things are cool.
Go fast.
I don't even have to pedal.
There she goes. It's pretty quick. So far, everybody's loving the Hiboy mountain bike, the P6, and I am too. I just want to shout out those guys for sending me this bike to do this video. And if you're interested, you can go check out the links below. Go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the links down below. You can pick this thing up on Amazon. Pretty quick, huh?
Yeah, it's like 25 miles per hour.
25. She must be lighter than me. What a beautiful day. The fall is here and the weather is changing. So hopefully you live by a beach, because if you do, that thing would be awesome. Oh, that was fun. Did you get it? Did you get it?
I don't know.
You don't know? We'll do it again. Oh, yeah. All power. Ah. Well, I cranked the power up, and when it hit, I looped out. So you might wear gloves and a helmet. We lost the chain. And I bent the bars. Oh, lovely. Oh, I already ripped it. Oh well, that happens. I'm okay, and that is the most important part. Maybe not. I'm bleeding. Oh, look. It's still working. It's just broken. I broke it. I crashed it and it broke. It still works, but yeah, I fell. And it landed on the digital display screen. What's the odds of that? All right, I went ahead and let the thing charge overnight. We're gonna go for a ride. Okay, I broke my display, but you're gonna wanna crank it up to like power 2, maybe 3, and I'll be able to feel it out. That's the power assist. Well, there's no crosswalks here, so I'm just going with the flow of traffic. I do have a motorcycle license, so I am endorsed. All right, give her some gas and roll. Oh, total mistake breaking that, but accidents happen. And boy, this thing cruises so nice. Smoking is bad for you. Brakes are pretty good. All right, yeah, let's just go for it. I'm down here in Avon, Indiana, and there's not a ton of roads to ride on. There we go. Get it up into high gear. Rolling. Oh yeah, feel the breeze. Oh, nice chill day. Oh yeah, enjoying the Hiboy P6 mountain bike. Gotta hit the brakes and not crash. Brakes work pretty good. So I can't say I even knew this bike trail existed. And maybe there's a bike trail around you that you didn't know existed. Go check the links down below for your own Hiboy. I seen it on sale for $1,000, but what I saw was $1,500. The thing rides really nice, pretty durable. I already crashed it twice, maybe once. Maybe that was exaggerating. And thanks a bunch for clicking on the channel. Yes, this is T-Mez approved. You should go check the link out below and get you your own P6. This thing rolls really nice, no hands. And I haven't ridden a bike for a long time, but even no hands pedaling, once the power comes on, it's nice. Oh, Dad's calling me. Hello. Hey, what's happening? Oh, riding that e-bike, finishing up a video. All right, so this thing is awesome. Full suspension shocks. You can lock it out with adjusting that. Different speeds. 5-speed on this. Got a horn. Got a light. We got disc brakes. Big old fat 26-inch tall by 4-inch wide sand cruiser tires. We got some reflectors that'll be coming off shortly, but so far this thing has been a blast to ride. Big shout out to Hiboy for sending me this mountain bike. Go get yourself one. Check the links down below. Oh yeah, this thing's easy to ride, no hands. Hi Mom, I'm riding no hands. And the power on 2 is so smooth you can do that. Really bummed about this, but that happens. Mistakes were made, I crashed.